Hey, so how to get reimbursed for missing inventory on Amazon FBA? Now, there are a few options. First option is you can do it yourself. You can see in your shipments, let's say some amount of units is missing from this shipment. You can message Amazon and say, hey, in this shipment, I see that you received 990 units instead of 1,000. So where are the 10 units? They will usually ask for some details from you, like the receipt that you bought these products, proof of delivery that you can get from your freight forwarder or the person that helps you ship your product. You can then submit it to Amazon and hopefully you'll get your money back, or you get reimbursed rather for the lost products. One option is to do it manually. The second option is to use software that does it for you. So it can help you with fulfilling sort of these cases, or at least writing down the text that is needed for these kind of cases. Cases, I mean, inside of Amazon, you have to open a case and to tell Amazon what's wrong, right? So the software can help you. I have some options in the description. I have Helium 10 Refund Genie that can help you from Helium 10 do that. A tool by Sellerboard can help you do that as well, and Sellerise as well. So these three are going to be linked in the description. There you can subscribe to the tool and get an option to get reimbursed. Usually what you will have to do is a bit more manual work from your side, but way less than the first option where you had to kind of go and find the things yourself. With these, it's going to be a bit easier. They automate the process more for you. And the last option to fight with missing inventory is using more automated software, I would say, and service. So for example, I have for you down in the description Getida. It's a service I've been using for over a year now to get money back from Amazon. They connect your seller account and they can automatically check for these missing inventory, lost, damaged inventory, and they will submit cases on your behalf for you to get money back from Amazon. Now, the thing is, they will take a cut from that, and the software that I mentioned beforehand, Helium 10, Sellerise, and Sellerboard, they will not take a cut. So, and of course, if you do it alone, you don't even need to pay for software. Now, time-wise, doing it yourself is the most time. With the software in the middle, it's maybe less time. And the last software like Getida, Seller Investigators, Seller Locker, and Refund Sniper, I have these that I can offer to you down in the description. I'm currently a Getida user, but the other ones too, you can test them out and see if they're good. Similar kind of thing. They will help you do it on automatic all the time. You're going to be connected. It doesn't cost money. For example, Getida doesn't cost money per month against the Helium 10 or Sellerboard or Sellerise, which do cost money per month, but they take percentage of what you're able to get as a reimbursement. So let's say you got reimbursed $1,000. Getida is usually 25%, Seller Investigators, Seller Locker, pretty much 25%. Refund Sniper, I think, is in 30%. So, you know, you can try to negotiate with them as well, like drop them a message, like say, guys, hey, this and that. That's an option too. And in the description, I'm going to have the links to all of them with the best offers for these tools. If you want to see like a little review of all of them, you can watch this video with the 7 best Amazon reimbursement tools. Ho, 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 ho. I hope you have a great day. Watch this video, and I don't know what that was, but I've been recording a few videos, so maybe I need to do a little break. But check out the video here.